I hope you have given a very nice reading, a thorough reading to chapter number 3, Maratha Sardars, the famous house of the Bhosles, up till where we have finished yesterday, isn't it? So, shall we proceed further now? Yes. Take out your textbook, take out page number 10. And today we will study the last para of this chapter. Shahaji Raje. You can see the picture of Shahaji Raje on the screen. Now I am reading the para and I will explain in between. Nizam Shah transferred to Shahaji Raje the Jagir he had conferred on Maloji Raje. Children, in the previous paras we came to know that Nizam Shah has given some Jagir on the recommendation of the his chief minister Malik Ambar, some Jagir to Maloji Raje. So, after the death of Maloji Raje, Nizam Shah had given that Jagir to Shahaji Raje. Shahaji Raje was a brave and capable man held in great respect at the court of Nizam Shah. The Mughal emperor decided to conquer the kingdom of Nizam Shah. Mughal emperor means Akbar, yes. Akbar decided to conquer means to fight to fight with Nizam Shah and conquer his kingdom. So, for this, he made an alliance. Alliance means he joined alliance with the Adil Shah of Bijapur. As Adil Shah and Nizam Shah were enemies already, so Mughal emperor he was too smart. He was too intelligent. He made an alliance. He tied up with Adil Shah, who was already an enemy of Nizam Shah. They both attack Nizam Shah. At that time, Malik Ambar, who was Malik Ambar? Chief Minister, Wazir of Nizam Shah. Malik Ambar and Shahaji Raje fought bravely to save Nizam Shahi. They defeated both the armies. Means Malik Ambar and Shahaji Raje fought so bravely in this battle that they defeated both the armies. Whose armies? Mughal Emperor army, Akbar army and Adil Shah army. This battle took place at Bhattawadi near Ahmednagar. Sharif Ji was killed in the battle. Who was Sharif Ji? Shahaji Raje's brother. Maloji Raje's second son. He was killed in this battle. Shahaji Raje displayed great valor. Valor means, all of you know the meaning of valor. He was praised everywhere as a brave general. His reputation in the court was so enhanced that even Malik Ambar began to feel jealous of him. As Shahaji Raje was very brave, we know his reputation was so increased with this winning of this battle. So Malik Ambar also started feeling jealous of him. This gradually led to antagonism. Antagonism means a feeling of hatred, a feeling of jealousy between them. Between them means between whom? Shahaji Raje and Malik Ambar. As a result, what happened? As a result, Shahaji Raje left Nizam Shahi and joined the court of Adil Shah at Bijapur. Due to this hatred, due to this feeling of jealousy, what Shahaji Raje decided? He decided to left Nizam Shah, the court of Nizam Shah, and where did he go? He joined Adil Shah of Bijapur, the court of Adil Shah of Bijapur. Adil Shah honored him with the title of Sar Lashkar, means chief of army. When Shahaji Raje joined Adil Shah honored him with the title Sar Lashkar. Sar Lashkar means chief of army. Later, there were many developments in Nizam Shahi. The Wazir Malik Ambar died. His scheming son Fateh Khan became the Wazir of Nizam Shahi. Malik Ambar was the Wazir of Nizam Shahi. After the death of Malik Ambar, his scheming sons. Scheming means usually that person who makes secret plans to cheat someone for our own benefit. Means he constantly used to prepare plans. No, he is so selfish. He was so selfish that he used to prepare plans, used to cheat others for his own benefit. And after the death of Malik Ambar, his son became the Wazir of Nizam Shahi. During his period, the Nizam Shahi began to decline. See, if the Wazir is like this, he is thinking about himself only. That then what will happen? The Nizam Shahi will started to decline. Obviously, at about the same time, there was a threat of Mughal aggression. Due to this, what will happen? There was a constantly a threat, a fear on the Nizam Shahi that the Mughal emperor will conquer its territory. So, Nizam Shah's mother appealed to Shahaji Raje to return to Nizam Shahi and save it. So, after seeing all this situation, Nizam Shah's mother requested Shahaji Raje to come back to Nizam Shahi and save the Nizam Shahi from the Mughals and from this selfish, selfish Fateh Khan. Okay. The name of the Wazir was means the name of Malik Ambar's son Fateh Khan. So, therefore, Shahaji Raje left Adil Shahi and returned to Nizam Shahi. So, Shahaji Raje listened to Nizam Shahi's mother and he accepted its request. So, and again, what he has done, he left Adil Shahi and again come back, return to Nizam Shahi. Okay, children, up till so this chapter is finished now. So, children, I am going to give you one assignment. You will try, this is an activity actually. You will try to prepare a concept chart for this lesson. For this, you have to give a very thorough reading to the chapter. And from where you will start making the concept chart or the family concept chart? From Babaji Raje Bhosle. Okay, means what you will give, I'll tell you something. You will give, first write the name Babaji Raje Bhosle. Then his two sons. What were the name of his two sons? Maloji Raje, Vithoji Raje. Okay, then Maloji Raje married to Umabai. Okay, then Maloji Raje died in the battle and he has two sons. Shahaji Raje, Sharif Ji. Then Maloji Raje died in the battle of Indapur. Then Shahaji Raje married to Jizabai. Who was Jizabai? Jizabai was the daughter of Lakhuji Rao Jadhav. Okay. In this way, you try to prepare a concept chart. Okay, children. In the next class, I will also prepare the concept chart and then we will discuss accordingly. Okay, and in the next class, we will do its writing work also. This chapter writing work also. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.